Yeah. Good day, sir. Good day, Mass. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Kebu Kebu is greeting you people in Abia City. Today being the 19th day of November 2023, Sunday afternoon to the precise. Time check is 19 minutes to 1. I don't know about this place is Omuma. This should be, what is the name of this road? Omuma Road. Yeah, I want to be sure. This place is Omuma Road. You can see from our video, from the map, this is number 1, the starting point of Omuma Road, where it connects to Osusu Road. You can see Osusu by my side. What you are seeing here is the road construction of a road median system, because during the last administration, this road we are constructed with the cement rigid pavements and also expanded, but they couldn't finish it up. Right now, this present government have commenced the dualization of Omuma Road. After this dualization, they will start the asphalting of this road. When you look around, you can see how happy and excited there will be a new sign of fresh breath from the residents and property owners residing along this road. I don't know so as person wey no dey go church, person wey the area scatter, person wey be street credibility, and the only street general dem wey United States. It's my duty to be firing an ox cylinder, showing you wetin dey play out in this city that never goes to sleep. This is Omuma Road. You can see the sign of the median, well decorated and well organized with the mats with the 10mm rods, and also provided places avenue where they will mount street lights. So after the construction, the carpentry work, I can use it right now, and soon they will also run it up. When they will complete this work, they will do the asphalting of the road, because the road is already bola gutter, and they made a cement technology. Even though they machine and they motor, so as some now we're on another site being handled by indigenous construction company. On this school here, you can see our engineers, Ejima Hala Hakim, speaking English and speaking grammar, and also exchanging please in English and Aramaho, exchanging English. Okay, this thing I don't know. Okay, for design. Okay. So later they will see the movie. Okay. So I say make I show you. The way they do them, and for you to know, and also to be getting updated what thing they happen to your state. Even if you are not from Abia State, Abia is a house for everybody. Abia represents Alibo. So many people will interest now this Abia State and this Abia. So they now go to Naga. Zigi ya koro. Makana the system have already adopted us. So we will always be around to show you whatever that is going on in this state. Even if I now already bedroom governor, Kebu Kebu will be there to show you. I know sent, but we mama can't Ishimaga happen. So Lego Nesi Aga on Aga Maji from Maji, but I will allow you to be the judge. I will allow you to be the judge. So the Jagi, Gamma and Emete, Gamma and the government of the serious is developed over there. Come believe it here, Bele. You know, I'm the Unishio. Gemor, Mgesigo to Sena, Gamsi Jagia, Mebruka Meshinum, Mamutum, Bafu, Echom, So yeah, Kebu TV. Kebu back na be to wala gachi. Aka na be liwe madanya n'ihu. Ka aka n'ubi onye bịara nke ya. Here we road median. Akwa be beans akwa akere shiwela. You can see the speed in which property owners in around the up na emesi shulu ha. Na eme auto plaster. Maka ama no believe so. Yes. With my caption, the imaging of a mega city in Abia, the imaging of a mega city in Abia State. The process is ongoing. Everybody must collect. Everybody must collect. Now this Omuma Road. As you can see from the video, only show you the location, date, and also time. What we cannot do, we have to make a shit. No other rest of the video. You never know why you come. That's what you know now. We will not do that. I can't let them be selling. Kebu I'm a lot. This is a mama. We have a physical mama that go more and more. So this is the construction of road median, and this road. Materials are all in place. Emechaya, I want to get Rosa. I want to do Sagadi. I want to get Mosa and I want to get the widening. Because every construct was speed limits, speed bump. So that people will get Belata in our bank for it. So this is a construction of road medium. Courtesy of Abia State Governor Dr. Otti, OFR, who is piloting the story of development in Abia State from 29th May 2023 till date, since swearing in. So, on half a lot to learn, and I believe he will surely drive us to a permanent site. He will surely drive us to a place where you can say we are proud to come from Abia State. You can see development, you can see the type of beautiful edifice they are constructing along this road because there's the light at the end of the tunnel. So, can you know my duty? Can you know my job? My job is to be telling you. My job is to be showing you. I don't care. Man ọ dịghị mma aga m na-eburu oyi nzuchi English a ma ala hazụghịga mmiri ma ṅụọ ma hazụghịga m mmiri ma ga-azụrụ credit but ama m na a ga-emetacha ya. So the new medium system is looking brighter, and it's also the road itself is wearing a brand new face, and I believe that before this forthcoming U-tide, which is X-Max, something great will be happening in several cities and several places in Abia. Several. When I tell you several places, we are not joking. Ebelogu solar panel roundabout is coming up gradually. Ngwa Road Street Lightning is coming up. Port Harcourt Road just began. Omuma Road is speeding up. Cemetery Road is coming up, and so many other adjoining roads being handled. Omuma Road, New Maya Road, they are all coming up, joining to celebrate U-tide in a grand style. The man is leaving no stone unturned and making sure he revamps and rejuvenates and also ignites light in the development task strategy and structure of this state. This is why I'm here, because I can speak, spoke and spark. I try me, him man, I'm so tired. Him get the choice, whether they will like it or not. So I had in the river. Now I report through live from the city of Abia. This guy really come the farm of Onyo. Don't chop my money before. Yeah. So I just can soon live for those in Abia, and I believe you guys. I got like it. Me na host na nife. Thank you for watching. This is Kebu TV. We don't do no. jikwara unu Abia must succeed ma ọ chọrọ ya ma ọ chọọ ya. Tu a ka ọ dị. One love.